Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. This is another video on Arduino in Tinkercad web application. And today's topic is that interfacing relay module with Arduino UNO board in Tinkercad web application. So go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will design the circuit and the sketch for interfacing relay module in Arduino UNO board in Tinkercad web application. So let's dive in. So friends, today's topic is that interfacing relay module with Arduino UNO board in Tinkercad web application, right? So at first we should know what is relay module. A relay module allows us to control high voltage devices with an Arduino, right? Which operates at low voltage, okay? Relays are electrically operated switches that can control large loads such as motors, lights and other appliances, right? A relay is a device that helps microcontroller or microcontroller based boards like Arduino to switch on or off different household appliances, right? There are three different terminals are there in relay module. One is COM, which is known as common terminal, another is NO, which is normally open terminal, another is NC, which is normally closed terminal, are terminals on a relay module that determine how the external circuit is connected to the load, like the light bulb or motor, etc., right? And common applications using relay modules are like home automation, industrial control system and smart appliances, right? So these two pictures are relay module, right, where the different pins are given within that, and this is also the relay module which is used within the Tinkercad web application, right? So this is the terminal COM, NO and NC, and also the three terminals are there which is connect to the ground, another is connect to the digital pin and also the 5 volt through Arduino UNO board. So go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will build the circuit and write the sketch for interfacing relay module with Arduino, right? So friends, I have already logged in my Tinkercad web application account. Now just click on create and select circuits, okay? Now from there, at first we take this Arduino UNO board, okay, and just type here relay, and this is the relay module which is used in my circuit, right? And now just write here power supply. So this power supply we just used here, okay? So we just take this relay module here and this is the power supply, okay? Okay, now the connection is that the above, this will connect with the ground, this one connect with the digital pin. In my sketch I take the digital pin 4, okay, and this one connect to the 5 volt with this Arduino UNO, okay, and this COM directly connect with this power supply of this positive terminal, this one connect to the bulb. So that's why we need the another part or another component which is a bulb. Just write bulb. So this bulb is also needed for the circuit is concerned. So this section or this terminal, this no terminal directly connect with one end of this bulb and another end connect to this negative part of the power supply, okay? So at first we take suppose the black wire and which is directly connect to the ground. So just directly connect with this ground of this Arduino UNO board, okay? Now take red wire which is directly connect this COM terminal of this relay module, okay, and also this one is also connect with the 5 volt So that's why we are directly connecting the 5 volt with Arduino UNO board. Okay, and now take suppose the purple color, where this will the particular terminal which is connect with the digital pin. Suppose we take the digital pin 4, because in my sketch I am using this pin. Okay, so just connect this section with the digital pin 4, and now we take also the black wire and just connect this one to the one end of the bulb, and also the other end is just connect with this no terminal. Okay, so this is a simple circuit is concerned. The above part just connect at first ground, second one connect to the digital pin, whatever the pin used in the sketch or code. In my sketch I am using pin number 4, and the rightmost section of the topmost terminal connect with the 5 volt, and in below the leftmost connect with the power supply positive section, which is a COM terminal. After that is a no terminal, which is directly connect with one side of the bulb, and another side of the bulb just connect with the negative terminal of the power supply. The circuit is very simple. And also if we write the name of that particular circuit or the sketch is concerned, just write here relay module with Arduino UNO. Okay, now we just write the code here. So just go to code, just click on that, select text, just click continue. Whatever written into there, just remove it, and just we are defining the relay pin. So just write int relay pin, and we are initialize with the pin number 4. Okay, now we are using this void setup, this function, and just call this inbuilt function pin mode, and send the argument relay pin, and also another argument is output. Okay, and now we just write the loop, this particular function which is continuously going on and on, means continuously execute. At first we write here digital write, and send argument at first the pin number, means the variable relay pin, and just send another argument high, means the bulb is on, and then we put a delay for 1 second, so 1000 millisecond. Also again write digital write, again call, and again send relay pin, this particular variable, and also another argument low. 2 argument, one is relay pin and is a low, and same way again put the delay for 1000 millisecond, means 1 second. So circuit is very simple, and code is also very simple, means sketch is very simple for the circuit of relay module is concerned. Okay, now we just start simulation, just click on start simulation. So just see, just interval of 1 second the bulb is on and off, on and off. That means using this relay module we can control this bulb, right? I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to interface relay module with Arduino UNO board in Tinkercad web application. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.